Yes, we will be recording this session. So, welcome to the session. And today we're here to
Mhm.
answer Uma's questions. So, shoot, Uma.
Okay. So I went through your video and
Okay.
watched the whole setup process, which actually has brought us here, where we added maps from third-party sites, and the way to do that was just copy the URL from those sites and add them here on the XYZ tiles,
Right.
right? So as we can see on the right on my right on the screen, we have Bing Area, we have Google Hybrid. This one was already there, so I think, and OpenStreetMap.
OpenStreetMap,
We added those.
what comes with
Yeah,
it? Yeah.
yeah. The lesson, the first video, is done, and so that lesson on setting up the video is done, and so the next thing we're trying to do is see how we can set up using putting up other maps.
Okay, hold on.
Yeah.
Can you uncheck one of the base maps because they usually slow down? In fact, uncheck them all. They usually slow down the system. We'll turn on the base map when we need it. Just uncheck them. That's fine. So they don't slow
Okay.
things
So should I
down.
turn off everything or?
Yes, you can turn it on off. Because if you are processing things with base map, they're really large data. So they add to slowing down the system, and they require a lot more. Um, they're going to require
More
a lot more
bandwidth, right?
bandwidth. Yes. So just uncheck them for now, and then when we need to view, uncheck the
Okay.
last one. That's fine. Okay, you can leave one. That's fine. So do you have
Okay.
any shapefile you can import, or we need to go find the shapefile?
No, 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 I do not. I do not. I think that's the essence of this meeting.
Okay. Um.
So,
Okay. Go to Google. Go to Google. Let's find a shapefile. We can do that. Find the data and import it. That's what we're doing in today's class. Okay. And then create a map.
okay,
So
so I agree.
navigate to Google. If you do it yourself, you remember. So navigate to Google.
So which site do I go to?
Google. Out of QGIS, just minimize your QGIS. Don't close it. Minimize it, and go to Google.
Okay, so
Google.com.
you can see my screen, right?
No, I can only see your
You can see
QGIS.
my screen, right?
I can see your QGIS.
Okay, so I think what I should do is sorry, instead of sharing window, let me share my whole
Yes, so you can
my
show me
whole
whatever, anything else. Yep.
whatever. Yeah, you can see my navigation and everything. How do I
Right now, I
do
can only
that?
see Q.
Let me see. Uh, share whiteboard, share advanced, share files, basic. Sorry, just a minute. So you can see Google, right?
Yes, I can.
You can see. Can you
Yes,
see
I
my
can.
navigation?
Yes, I can.
Okay, good. So which side am I going to?
So just search for what data we're gonna look for. Let's look for um hmm, let's look for a Nigerian population shapefile. Nigerian census shapefile. Or what data do you want to look at?
Yeah, I think that works. That's okay. Let's see. Census shape file.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh wow. File.
Go to shapefile of Nigeria data set.
That's right, data set. Okay.
Yep. I'm not trying to download Nigerian data before, but let's see. What does it say? Click on shapefile. No, I think that's about the document. Scroll down. Let's see. Okay, it says download. It did say download from there. So
It's a shapefile showing data, showing the LGA government areas in Nigeria. Yeah, that works.
yeah, that works. Yep, that's a good data. Okay.
So this is the URL,
Yep.
right?
Yep.
Copy.
You can just click on download up there. See the download to your right.
Okay, yeah.
Yep. It should download. Yeah, I think it's doing it. I think that if you click on the URL, it might do the same thing, but we're going with the download. Hopefully it's not too large. Okay, it's done. Cool. So I think it's a zip file. Go to the location of the file and unzip it. Then we can pull it into Q and take a look at it.
Let me do something like this. So I should create a folder for them, right?
Go to where the folder where the downloaded shapefile is located. We're just trying to unzip it so we can pull it into Q.
Yeah, so this is where I extracted it down into my
I can't see your folder. Can you unzip the shapefile? Do you know how to unzip it?
I think I know what that means. Unzip.
If you share the folder, if you show me what you're doing, then I can guide you. Maybe minimize the Chrome. We're done with this part. Just minimize Chrome.
You still can see, right?
No, I cannot.
Okay, I'm coming. I think I resume share. Sorry, then yeah. What about now?
No, still Chrome.
I'm coming. Let me do something. Supposed to allow me show
Hi, Olisa. Welcome.
all windows. Yeah.
So what we've done so far, so Lisa knows what's going on, is we went to Google to search for a shapefile. We just downloaded the shapefile, and we're going to try to manipulate the shapefile in QGIS. So now right click on it,
You have seen it,
go
right?
to extract file. Yes, click on extract file. You were on the right spot. Extract files. Yes. Click on it. Has it extracted it?
So I should just click OK, right?
Yeah, okay. So it should unzip it. Yeah, it's
Beautiful.
done that. We're good now.
Yeah.
Go back to QGIS now. We can pull in the data and start looking at it.
Beautiful. Ooh.
Now go back to Q.
I'm on Q. Can you see me?
No, I'm still looking at your folder, your download folder.
Let me see. I don't know why it's doing this. I initially said share all window.
Yeah, it's supposed to share all, so you can easily go back and forth.
Yeah,
Are
I
you
did
using
that.
double screens or one screen?
I'm using one screen. I'm coming.
Okay.
Let me. Let me try something. Let me stop sharing and try again.
Okay, we're just sticking with Q now. I think we don't need to go anywhere else, so we should be good. So just share
Okay.
your screen with
Sharing. Yeah.
QGIS up. Yeah. Great. So now to pull in the data, go to the top. It says project, edit, view layers from layers. Click on layers. Add layer. No, the third one line. The third one says add layer. Follow the arrow. Follow the arrow to add layer and add vector layer. Yes, add a vector layer.
Add mesh layer, right? Hello?
Yes. No. Add vector, the first one. Then click on those three dots by vector data set. Those three dots. Okay. Go to downloads. Open that folder. So the quickest way to pick the right shapefile, the right one is one that says .shp, but the quickest way is, you see where it says file name, all files? Click on all files at the bottom. All files. No. File name just above open. Just above.
Yeah,
all files. Yeah, click on all, select shapefile. So it shows us just the shapefile.
So what do I
scrolling
select?
down. Keep scrolling down, you see shapefile. Keep scrolling. You're almost there. Oh no, you've gone too far. Okay. It goes, okay. Keep going. You're on B now. You have baltimetry highlighted. Go down. It says Esri shapefile. Yes, all right. Just right there. Yes. Click on that. Yes. Click on it. Now that's your shapefile. Select it and open. Click add at the bottom.
That is it.
At the bottom, it says add. Click, see it to the bottom, it says add. Now
And close, right?
added it, yes. Now right click on that shapefile. Right click on it.
Sorry, let me get my mouse.
And zoom to layer. So we can see the entire thing. Right click on it, zoom to layer, so we can see everything. There, can you see that? That's a lot of data. Now you can turn on any of the base map to see. Yep. Maybe Google Hybrid. Yep. Can you see? Really puts you, if you uncheck the shapefile, the Nigerian census shapefile. Can you see? Really puts you where Nigeria is. So that's how you import the data. And then you can look at the information of the data by right-clicking on it. Right click on it. No. From the layer side, yes. Right click on it. Go to scroll down to open attributes table. It should open the attributes table.
Yeah, I have. This is it, right?
Where's the attribute table?
This is it.
Where is, I don't see it.
You're not seeing my screen? Can you see now?
I see QGIS, but I don't see your attributes table.
But I'm seeing it. Okay, let me do it again for you. So I hope it does it this time.
Okay.
Open attribute table, right?
Correct.
Can you see my navigation?
Yes, I can see navigation. Click on it. Click on it.
Can you see?
You didn't click on the attribute table. You didn't open it. Do it again.
I did it. It has opened another window. You are just not seeing it.
Oh, so the attribute table is in another window.
Oh God.
Is that what it is? I'm trying to see the information on the attribute table. What are you looking at?
Just a minute. Let me try and share again. Yes, it opened in another window.
Gotcha. Okay.
Can you see it now?
That is the attribute table for sure. So you can see that what's on the attribute table is telling us the local government, the state, local government area,
Yeah.
perimeters. So we don't have a lot of information on this one. That's just all it's saying. State, local
Yes.
government, how big the area is, and measurements, right?
And the perimeter, yeah.
Yeah, the perimeters. That's just all the information we're seeing on this data. So okay, minimize it. Can you see the minimize button there? Just minimize it. No, the slim
Sorry,
one.
it's this one. Don't worry.
Yes, so it takes us back to the other screen. Yep, just minimize it. Did you minimize it?
Yeah, I did. So you want me to go to back to QGIS, right?
Yes. You guys screen, you didn't minimize it. Just
Okay.
click that first one. Yes, click that first one. Yep.
So can you see the QGIS?
No, I think you need to share
Yeah.
back the screen. Yeah.
I have to share it again. I'll need to find a way to
Yep.
do this where I
And
can
this is the way
share
you can
all
do
my
it.
window.
Yeah. Just say share entire computer. Okay. Now we're back. So if you want to select um uh you want to see a particular information, there are different ways you can do it. So click, it's difficult because we might have to go back to the attribute table to see what I'm talking about. So use your select tool. Do you know where your select tool is found? Scroll up, keep going to the side. You see that
Nope.
arrow, yellow box with the arrow. Keep going towards the right. Keep going towards the right. Keep going, keep going. Right there. Yes, that's the select tool. So it has different options. Yes, select features by polygon. Use the polygon one. That's one I use the most. So select anything within that Nigerian shape file you pulled in.
Mm-hmm.
Just
You can see a
draw.
line, right?
Yeah, that's a lot. You're selecting just a little bit. Yep. Just draw a polygon, any part of it. Yep. That's enough. That's enough. Yep.
It's okay like this.
Yes.
Then double click to
Yeah.
close it
Double
bar.
click. Yep. Double click. All right. Click.
Uh,
Right click. Right click on it. Yes. You've selected something now. So now, if you want to see what you just have selected,
Chiamaka,
huh?
can you give me 2 minutes? Let me talk to these guys working. I'll get back to you in the next 2 minutes. Strictly, please. They need my attention.
Okay. Oliver, do you have any question? Are you understanding?
I don't have any questions.
Okay. How are you doing today? Let me pause this.
Yeah.
QGIS?
Recording in progress, my people. Okay, so now we can view this data we just selected in different ways, right?
Yes.
So you can see that information that got selected from the attribute table. You still have the attribute table open, right?
Yes, I do.
If you go back to that, yes, I can see your both screens now. Great, you shared it
Yeah.
right this time. All right, expand it a little bit.
Yeah. Umar, can you got it, please? Or is it me that has to got it?
No, the
Okay,
way
I
the
got
way you
it.
did it was good. Okay, now it's okay this way. So to see just information you selected, scroll
Yeah.
down on that attribute table. See where it says show all features. Change that to show selected only. Yeah, show selected features. Yep, click on it.
Oops.
Now it's showing you information about only what we selected. We have, can you see, it says we have 30 selected. There are actually 775 features, but you selected 30. So it's showing you information about only what you selected. Now click on number 4. Just click on number 4. The actual number 4, just highlight that entire column. Yes. Can you see? Now we'll select only one feature. Can you see it on the map? We're selecting,
Yes.
it's showing just Sokoto. It's telling you we're looking at just Sokoto, and this is the information about Sokoto. Now, something else you can do, minimize that. You can collapse the attribute table. Yes, just collapse it from there. Something else you can do, let's say you are interested in working with only Sokoto. You don't want to deal with the rest of the map. What you can do is, now you have Sokoto selected, go back to the main shapefile, right click on it, right click on the main shapefile, the layer.
So here, right?
No, the layer, not the map view, the layer. Right click on it. No, yeah, right click on it. Go to export. Scroll down to export. Export, yes. Now, save selected. You just want Sokoto, so you already have Sokoto selected. The second one, if you click the first one, it's going to save the whole Nigerian data set. But we just want Sokoto, so Sokoto is what we have
Save
to
selected
save
feature, right?
feature, yes. Now, this is another thing. The format, scroll down. Scroll down in the format on top. On top, it says format on top, geo package. Drop that geo package. Now, this is something interesting. Hold on. You can do, have you worked with KMZs before? Have you worked with KMZs before?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. So here you can export as different things. You can export as CSV, which is Excel document. You can export as shapefile. You can make it a geo package. You can work with a KMZ, which is the KML down. So KML pretty much is like this aerial view. We had to go download those, install those base maps. KML is the base map. Let's say you exported a data, you processed the data, and you exported it. You can just you can export as a KML with that aerial background and give it to anybody. So the person has that little bit of your data set that you want to share with that person. So you can export as different things. You can export as a shape, but let's export as a CSV just so we can do a different file format, not just shape file. Because we've looked at manipulating shapefile, right? We already have shapefile saved somewhere. Now CSV, comma separated value CSV.
It was CSV you said?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't hear you. Your phone is too much, madam. Of course, I've worked with CSVs
okay,
before.
I was talking about shape KMZ. Have you worked with KMZ too?
Okay, no, I've not. I don't think I have. No.
Okay. So, okay, click on CSV for now. We can also look into KMZ. So, okay. Now, the next step where it says file name, this is where you can decide where you want to store this data. So click on those three buttons section next to file name. Where do you want to store the data? So go there and give it a name. You can select it, select that folder, open the folder, and then name it Sokoto because that's what the data is showing.
Here, right?
The file name, give it a name, type Sokoto. Yep, it's that we have okay, save, click save. And okay, now before you do anything else, can you see the very bottom where it says add saved file to map? The very bottom. No, very bottom. Next to OK. Next to OK.
Yeah.
So now, if you have that checked on, anytime you save something or export something, it's going to add it to the map. But if you don't have that checked on, it's not going to add it to the map.
Okay. So the idea is to always leave that checked on, right?
I do because I like to see what I exported. So, but if you don't care, you don't have to do that. Now click OK.
I do too.
Okay. See, it added the CSV data to the map, the Sokoto. Now go back to that folder, that QGIS. Just go to the QGIS folder. No, outside. Yes, I can see your entire screen now. That's cool. So navigate to.
I feel naked.
Just go to the QGIS folder. That's
Let me
what
see.
you care about. Yes. Now open the CSV folder. Yes, the workbook. Just open it.
Open, right? Double
Yes.
click.
Yeah, double click. Excel, yeah. Use Excel document to open it. Yeah, click read only. That's okay. You can save it as something else. See, it's showing us information about Sokoto. If we had selected more and exported out more, it would show us more information.
Okay, so what we just did now, what we just did was convert what we had at the attribute table to Excel.
Correct. That's what we just did.
Beautiful.
So now let's go back and convert it to a KMZ folder. So I show you what a KMZ really is. Now let's go back to
6,007. 90. The calculator. Sorry, just a minute. So here, right?
Yeah, so here something we can do is go to vector on the very top, go to vector file, click on it. Geometry tools, go down to geometry tools, click on centroids. The first one, centroids. Yes. Now impute that Nigerian layer. Impute layer drop down. Yes. And then
Where did we get
move your
this from?
cursor. Huh?
Where did we get these Nigerian LGs? Okay, it's already there, right?
The original
Okay.
the original data we started working with, right?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. If we wanted to, let me tell you what we're trying to do. So I want to show you what a KMZ is because you said you've never worked with a KMZ. So I'm trying to show you. We're going to export the data as a KMZ. But KMZs, to be able to see this thing better, manipulate it better, it's better to export it as points. Right now, those layers are polygons, right?
Okay.
So we want to convert them from polygon layers to point layers, and that's why we're using this centroid tool. So now run the tool. Click on run the tool.
Run, right?
Yes, please. Run it. Missing parameter. You don't have any layer. Put in it. Put the layer back. Input layer. Okay. And then run.
Okay.
Yes. Now close. Close. Can you see that?
Yes.
It has converted. If you go to the attribute table, you should have the same data, everything. It's just that those polygons are now points. So you can assume that individual, point data for the Nigerian, I think this is census data we try to import, right? Census information. So now let's export that to a KM to the point data.
So
Remember how to export? Right click, export. Yes, we don't have anything selected in this one, so we're not looking for any save feature. We want to export everything.
yeah.
But if you select something, then it will highlight the second one, asking
Yes,
if you want to
this one. Yes.
export just what you selected or everything. So let's select everything. Yep. Export. Save feature as. Yep. Now change the CSV to KML, the format. If you want to keep it as a shapefile, you can still say shapefile, but we're trying to explore something else. KML. Go to KML. Click on KML. And then make sure you're saving it in the folder you want it to. You go back to those three dots. Hopefully it takes you back to the yes. Okay, name it census data. Just name it Nigerian census data. Okay, save. Now click OK. Select all. It's asking you if you want to add the layer. Select all. Click on select all. It's just one the layer anyway. Add layer. Can you see that? Okay. So you can uncheck the centroids. You can actually remove the centroid layer. To remove the data, do you know how to do that? You can remove the centroid and circles. Do you know how to do that? Right click on it.
Right click and remove, right?
And remove. Correct. Remove layer. Under duplicate. Remove layer. Remove layer. Remove. Keep going. Keep going up. Keep
Yeah,
going.
yeah.
Like there. Remove layer. You can do the same for the Sokoto CSV file too. I think we already accomplished what we want to do there. We don't need to keep it. If you want to keep it, but if you have a lot of stuff, it starts to slow down your system.
The process, yeah.
Yep. So remove that. Now let's go back to the folder and open that KML.
This, right?
The folder where we saved it. Let's go to the folder where we saved it.
Where did I save it? Here, right?
Yes. Yeah. Double click on it to open it. If you you don't have a KMZ file, a KMZ tool installed. So yes, scroll down. You will need to install it to get going. Go to Google. Let's download it. Pretty easy. Search for KMZ download. Is it
Who
free
they check
tool?
us now?
Yeah. Lisa.
And I know you come up from that table all that line.
Guy, we did serious. I beg. Don't
Now,
let my
click on it.
don't let my blood pressure start this evening.
Click on it.
I beg. This right, Chairman?
Yeah, that's fine. Yes. Or KMZ download. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Did you click on it? The first, hold on.
You're not seeing my screen again, right?
Okay, search for Google Earth. I think that's the right one. Search for Google Earth. Google
This
Earth,
one.
that's what it's called. No. Search for Google Earth.
Okay, I do not have Google Earth on it on
Yes,
system.
it's Google Earth you use to
I
view
was
it.
supposed
So
to
you know what
download.
Google Earth is? Yeah, that's what I've been trying to describe. Yeah, Google Earth download. Look at it right there. Google Earth download. Google Earth download. I think it's on the screen. Yes, install Google Earth. Yep. The second one is fine.
This right.
No, go up one step.
Download the latest version of Google Earth. Yeah. From Google. Yeah. The first
This right.
one. Yeah. The second one that says download the latest version. Yes. Click on that one.
MTN, what's wrong now?
And then download Google Earth. Just click on the top. Yeah.
Scroll down, Omar. Scroll down. Okay.
So you downloaded it already, right? At launch. It should be somewhere on your computer. Go to your downloads and see.
This Google Earth Pro, is it free?
It's free. It should be it's a free tool. So go to your downloads and click on the plugin to get it going. So you're accomplishing more things now. You're setting up your computer.
It's the network. My computer is good. It's actually a very good one.
No, I'm saying you're adding Google Earth to your computer since we didn't have it. I'm not talking
So
about
yes.
your specifications here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm adding it. Okay.
For your download, you can sort by launcher. Did you try to launch it?
Sorry?
Top right.
Yeah, I think. What's that window
Oh,
there? I think it's trying to open, right? Yes, there.
it's this one. And this one is where I would try to download, but it's not allowing me to do that. So I just launched it, as you said. So when I launched it, it took me here.
Okay, so you didn't.
So that's why we have this. So, but I'm unable to download because of the network, I think. So let me try something. Download again. It works.
I think that's the web one you have. You're connected to. Click on the very first one. Yeah, this is
Let
supposed
me
to be
do
for Mac,
this.
PC. Yeah. So look for the one for you use Windows, right?
Okay. Wait, let me do something.
Or go to Earth versions. Go to that page where you were. The versions. For desktop, you want the desktop one. No, scroll back. Desktop one. Yes, that's what you want. I think the one we got the first time was for
Mark.
the online version on the web. So you want the desktop one, yes. So click on that one, accept and download, yes.
Lovely.
Yes,
Oh,
there. Now you can install. And then we can go view that data.
so we allow this to finish installing, right? Then I can
Yes.
close this, right?
Yes, you can minimize. Yes, you can close all that. You don't need to be on Chrome. You can go back to QGIS. So let me answer your first question. Go back to QGIS. Let me show you how to print real quick. Go back to Q.
I'm on queue. Can you see
Okay.
me?
Yes.
I'm there.
So while the Google is doing its thing, before we view that data, go to projects. This is if you want to create a map. Now we have a data to look at. Let's try to create a map. Go to projects. Very top left, project. Click on project, top left.
I've come there.
Scroll down to new print
I have.
layout.
I'm there.
Scroll down, new print layout. Click on it. Name is anything. Let's say Nigerian census map.
Okay, let me do something. Niger census map.
Yeah, we're creating a map. Click OK.
Okay, right?
Yes. It brings you here. This is where you create a map. So now
All right, not to pull us back, yeah. I noticed we are using QGIS, not ArcGIS.
Yes, this is QGIS. ArcGIS, ArcMap. No, ArcGIS is what the entire study is called. But as far as software goes, you have ArcMap. ArcMap is owned by Esri. I think they are the main body for ArcGIS. They own ArcGIS Online. So they have ArcMap, ArcGIS Pro, and then Q is free. The ArcMap Pro, all those you need to pay for licenses, thousands of dollars. But Pro is
but
free.
this Q can do like basically everything.
Yes, Q does whatever they can do, and Q is free.
Okay, cool.
The only thing is, you can link Q directly to ArcGIS Online account. You need you need to use their own
Progression.
ArcGIS Pro for it. Yeah, but you can always make your shapefile or KMZ or Excel that you can still upload into your private ArcGIS Online. You can export the data from Q. So Q, if you don't want to
Okay,
pay for license, it does everything, so don't stress. So
okay.
to start making our maps, we have our tools, right? So scroll down from the right side to one of those plus signs. So you have your hand on the left, go up, go up, go up. See, it says add map. You just missed it. It says the one that says add map. Yes, click on it. Now draw a big square. No, don't do it to the end because you want. Okay, there. Okay, draw a big rectangle, almost the entire shape of that frame, because that's where the map will be. That's enough. It's going to dump the map there. There, you brought in your map. That's how you bring in your map. And then you can now start making it pretty by scroll down where you were, go back there. Let's start checking stuff out. You already added your map. Go back to the one with the T. Scroll down to the one with T. That will be add text. The one, scroll down. Yeah, no, the next one. The next one. The one on top. Yes, add label. Yes, click on the label. Now, oh, that was too fast. Cancel. It's supposed to be a box where you. Okay. You still have it highlighted.
Yes.
Then draw a box. I was going to make us do it at the top, the white section. Draw a box. Draw a box.
Here.
Yeah, you're supposed to make a rectangle. You're trying to put a title. Yes. Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, smaller. Keep going the other way. Okay. Move it to the middle. Move it to the middle. That's fine. Move it to the middle. Okay. Do you see the right?
Lorem ipsum.
Yes, where it says main properties, that's where you lower right, where it has that lorem ipsum still. Change that to Niger census data. That's where you name it from. And then scroll down for the settings. Yep. Click center to put it in the center. And you see puts it in the center. Keep scrolling down. Says position and size. Drop down position and size. Scroll down.
Let me see. You get bigger.
Yeah, you can make it bigger. That might be too large. Let's see. How big did you get?
It's not changing. That's why I'm doing that. But let's see 5 and see what happens.
Scroll to the left, right. I think that's the wrong place. Scroll. Okay, that's page. See, you're doing something different.
Okay.
So.
Okay, I think it's.
Okay. Scroll down. I think you're in the wrong place. Scroll down. Keep scrolling down. Keep scrolling down. Scroll
That's
back. Rotation.
Let me see.
Height rendering. Maybe the width, not the X and Y. Scroll up, scroll up, scroll up, scroll up. Yes, the font. That's where you want to change it from. Yep. Yeah, we're
Yep.
going to run out of time soon. So now we've seen how to change it. We need to wrap up this class soon because we're about to run out of time again. So now other things we can do with this map, and then we'll call it a day for today, is under the text, we now know how to put a text. So we'll make it pretty next class. Don't worry. So that's how you put a title. Then the legend, under it, the legend, click on legend. The next one under it, you put a legend. Yep, that's describing. Yep, draw a box anywhere. Yep, yep. We can make it pretty another time. Just drag it to the map body. Yep, yep. And then the next one, we can put a not arrow. We can put, yep, yep, you can put a not arrow. Yep. If you go back to those item properties where we were looking at for the title, you see how to change the no
I change
arrow.
and manipulate and all.
Yes, different kind of symbols you prefer. But let's
Yeah.
keep going. Then you can put before the no arrow means one thing. You're changing the no arrow to something else.
No, I'll just playing around.
Okay,
Nice.
that's okay. That's okay. So the top of the no arrow, there's something else there. No, no, where you got the no arrow from.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, that one,
This
the top, yes.
scale.
Bar. Yep, that's another useful thing to have on a map. And you have just made your first very basic, simple map. And then you can make it pretty. After making it pretty, I'll show you how to export it, and that's the end of this class for today. So to export it, can you see where it says to PDF at the top? Keep going. Yep, export as PDF. Click export your map as PDF. Let me show me this again, close. Yep, save, and let's go to your folder, open the map. Yep, yep.
Save, right?
That's fine, click save. It has exported your map. Now go back to the folder, open your map. Let's see.
Voila.
Voila, and you've just made your first map. So, and that's the end of this class because our Zoom is about to go off again. So I hope this was very helpful, and we'll
This
try
is
and
helpful. This is lovely. This is nice. You know what you do?
Jamaka, thank you very much. Umar, what a load of crap.
I don't blame you now.
I'll still record it.